Welcome to Clearline's resource video. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to prepare Clearline's armor corrugated steel fiber, commonly referred to as the ACS direct burial cable for termination. First, put on your safety glasses and gloves. Next, using the ACS tool, set tool so that it cuts radially as shown. Next, perform radial cuts 12 to 24 inches of the cable jacket, doing so up to the desired point of jacket removal needed. Once radial cuts has been performed, snap the cable jacket at those points shown. Pull cable jacket off while being careful not to damage the internal subunit. Repeat these steps until the desired length of the jacketing has been successfully removed. Thank you for watching our instructional video on how to prepare the direct burial fiber. For more information, please visit our website at www.clearline.com/resources.